thank you so much for giving us a chance to speak about the Buell Foundation and what they're trying to do for the North Side. My name is Lisa Freeman, and this is my friend Janice. And Janice, can you tell us where you're from, what community you live in?
Their bones are soft.
I bought a house here 17 years ago, but I've been in America 47 years.
What part of the North Side, what community do you live in?
Deutschtown.
Oh, okay. And how do you like living in
I
Deutschtown?
love it. I'm so close to everything. I can walk. I don't have a car, so I go by bus everywhere. I love it.
Oh, you're a wonderful commercial for the North
Aren't
Side.
I just? Huh?
Yes, you are.
You tapped me. No one else did.
Is there anything that you could possibly improve on in Deutschtown? Is there anything that you'd like to add or see to this community?
Got rid of the ho-hos, but I think we're making a big stand on them.
The ho-hos are what? That's a... Oh, the ho-hos.
Those ho-hos. Not the... But we've worked wonders in the neighborhood.
Really?
Yep, because
And how have you done that?
we're the safety person on the local council.
Uh-huh.
He's been working his stuff crazy, walking around up and down the streets, and he watches and he'll run and yeah, it's been needed. It
Very
really is.
good.
Because I understand they kind of get shipped in from other areas.
Is that right?
Yeah, and it's not fair to those that live here.
Yeah.
And not too many of us walk the streets at night anymore either.
Right.
Because you don't want to be.
You don't want to be in the wrong place at the
Well,
wrong
that's
time.
just it. I mean, I can call and make phone calls,
Yeah.
but then it's up to the department. Please to follow through on their end of it.
Well, that's what good neighbors do, though. When
That's
they
what we do.
see a problem and they report it, and they don't let a problem continue.
No,
So,
I just
Janice,
did.
thank you for being a good resident, a good community member, and a good neighbor. Thank you for letting us
Thank you.
interview.